Hi friends, I'm Alex the Introvert. Today we are going to learn about short vowel sounds. Do you want to learn short vowel sounds? Okay, let's go! We know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Our first vowel is A. But before we go any further, I want you to see this symbol. This symbol means that the vowel has a short sound, as in eh for A. Apple has a short vowel sound. The A says eh. Hat also has a short vowel sound. Cat has a short vowel sound too. Our next vowel is E. E makes the eh sound, as in eggs, and as in bed. And hen. Hen has a short E sound too. Next we have I. I makes the eh sound, as in igloo. Pig has a short vowel sound too. Oh, and fig. Fig has a short I vowel sound. O is our next vowel. The short O vowel sound makes the aw sound, like in orange, and pot, and in the word log. Our last vowel is U. The short U vowel sound is as in fudge, and as in mug. And there's a short U vowel sound in bun. Now we have learned our short vowel sounds for A, E, I, O, and U. Oh, by the way, check out my second channel called More Alex and Friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the latest Alex the Introvert videos. Bye-bye!